Okay, let's start by typing photoroom.com in the address bar. I'll select the first suggestion that appears. Great. The Photoroom website is now loading up. Now that we're on the site, let's find the background removal tool. Let's hover over the product menu to see our options. We'll click on Background Remover from the dropdown. Great. Now that we've found the tool, let's move on to uploading our image. Let's select our image file from the File Explorer. You'll see a preview of the image opens up. We can close this preview window. I'll drag the image file from our File Explorer and drop it onto the upload area on the website. Let's see how the tool processes our image and compare the results. Great! The website is now processing your image and automatically removing the background. Let's click the Before button to see the original image. Let's click After to see the result with the background removed. You can see how cleanly the background has been removed. Now that we've got our result, let's customize it by changing the background color. Let's try a blue background first. Let's switch to pink to see how that looks. And here's the transparent option, which gives us a completely clear background. Great! Now that we've got our background exactly how we want it, let's download our final image. I'll select Standard Resolution for our download. The image has been downloaded successfully. Let's take a look at our final downloaded file. Let's check our downloaded file by opening the download notification. Here's our image with the background completely removed. You now have a professional-looking image ready to use in your projects, presentations, or social media posts, all done completely free.